Meaning of work, capacity to do work, types of work, mathematical form of reversible work and irreversible work, difference between reversible and irreversible work done graphically. That is the syllabus. Meaning of work, intensity factor and capacity factor. Mechanical work is a particular mode of transference of energy. Some other modes of transference of energy are heat energy, electrical energy, and chemical energy. Whatever be the form of energy, and hence the work is always composed of following two factors. 1. An intensity factor. 2. A capacity factor. The product of these two factors gives the energy of work. Thus, energy is equal to intensity factor into capacity factor. Or work is equal to intensity factor into capacity factor. For example, when a body of mass m kilograms is moved through a height of h meter, the work done against the gravity is given by multiplying the intensity factor with the capacity factor. Thus, work done against the gravity is equal to intensity factor into capacity factor. Here, the intensity factor is mass into force of gravity into h capacity factor. Therefore, mgh joules, that is the work done against the gravity. This work gets stored in the body as a potential energy and is released when the body falls back to the original position. Similarly, the pressure volume work is given by, that is pressure volume work, intensity factor and capacity factor. Intensity factor is the pressure and change in volume is the capacity factor. Therefore, P into delta V or P delta V is the pressure volume work. The electrical work is given by, the electrical work is equal to the intensity factor into capacity factor. That is, intensity factor is EMF and capacity factor is quantity of electricity. That is E into NF, which is equal to NFE. That is the electrical work. Next is sign convention for work. This is already explained, but in this portion it is required because we are going to derive in a small equation. Sign convention for work. The amount of work done by the system or on the system is represented by small w. According to the international conventions, W is regarded as positive when the work is done on the system and is regarded as negative when the work is done by the system. Thus, work done on the system, W is positive. Work done by the system, W is negative. When W is positive, work done on the system, that is the energy supplied to the system in the form of work energy. On the other hand, when W is negative, the work is done by the system. For example, suppose we transfer 20 kilojoules of energy to the system. By doing work on it, we shall write W is equal to plus 20 kilojoules. But if the system itself does work, it will do so that at the cost of its own energy, and it will lose 20 kilojoules of energy. In this case, we should write W is equal to minus 20 kilojoules. Units of work. The work is usually in ergs, joules or kilojoules. The SI unit of work is joule.